3GS, yeah?
How can you open it?
So here, have a look at mine.
Alright.
This one is mine.
This is the 4S one.
This is 4G. It doesn't matter, it works with the same thing.
How much is it?
£35. It was £70, now reduced to 35. Is there a password on the phone? No. There's no power basically.
What would here the serial number?
Serial number in here.
I've got only the two colors for black. I've got any other color?
Sorry?
I've got any other color. I've got the black, white one.
It's the black one.
That's the way it comes, only black.
Yeah.
But just before the mechanism, just.
We call you. Of course. You like that?
I do, but
Do you know what he does? I'm gonna explain to you what he does. Thank you very much, sir. I'll give you a ring once we looked at it.
Yeah.
Okay?
The other two, we left the SIM card.
The SIM card's on your side?
Yeah.
That's fine, no problem at all. We sort it out, we let you know.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Do you have it back, please?
Yes, I'll have it back.
And I got the folders.
No problem. British, this is for the other two, the two iPhone 3GS for the screen. This is with them ones as well. How many bag you want? 2?
Yeah, please.
Length is good. 2 fit. Hold on. Seriously. We do get the raw radiator only once this guy bought a pink iPhone case and no, it was a whole screen, front screen and back screen. He wanted us to change it. Who, me? No. Why everyone say that? I don't know, it's like quite weird. Because I've been here for about 15 years. Are you happy with the result? Love it. How about that? Do you want to go down? Yeah, sure, go ahead. I'm just going to test the buttons for you anyway. Your tools, governor? You said you want to go early today? 2?
I called this lady, she's not picking up. Just call her later. Call for me, doesn't reply.
Which lady?
3337.
3337. How much is it?
hard drive needs to be replaced and Windows installed.
What size hard drive?
320.
Huh?
320. Call that lady. The money is transferred in from the NHS.
The money is transferred from NHS?
I don't know. She's asking, she came and asked if they have transferred. Probably the lady is coming here. So the black 209105.
Benno, where are you? Why didn't you call me when you went to the bank? Did you go to the bank? Check the business food.
Just tell her what happened on this. You need to reinstall the Windows shift that needs to be.
Okay, what was I going to say? I wanted you to get me a statement. When you're coming back, go to the bank and get me a statement from the business account. I need to check some money. Some people transferred money to the business account. I need to check that. Just get me a statement from last month. Oh, thanks.
This too is the.
You don't look English either, you look Irish. Or maybe Scottish, with blue eyes. It's beautiful. You got very beautiful eyes. Oh yeah, everything is good. Thank you very much for asking. I'm working every now and then, and I'm surrounded by customers. I can't really tell them. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, very cool. Thank you. Bye. Oh, you got BB pin, don't you? You don't need BB. Oh, 175.
Disconnect that.
223.
You have?
Yeah. They recycled it. Yes. Hello. Yeah. Mr. Phone is the LCDs, they're touchscreens. Yeah. Yes, man. That's what I said. Yeah, do that. Okay, همون 80 ازش بگیر بیا فعلا. Just exchange the 8. And exchange the batteries, then on. Okay, yeah. You like me to recycle them? We'll just take them apart and if the part can be used, we can use them. If not, we'll just actually.
Now with 0% APR representative, there's more choice.
There's nothing in there.
£111
There is nothing in there either. Thank you very much, sir.
And you get it on.
Ready? As phone master. Yeah, go for this one. You know what? Close business fixer.
This is the computer I need the backup on. Can I just copy on this and take the obviously?
I'll send you the backup into your email already.
You're amazing.
Here we go. That's your phone sorted.
But can I have a copy on the CD?
Well, you can burn it on the CD. It doesn't matter. It's a file. It's a file.
But something won't open because of this ID thing. And what? How can I view it?
So, you don't view it like that. The backup is it's a backup for is a P.
I know you with all the phone numbers.
Yes, but you don't see it like that. The backup can only go to a phone. You cannot really see it with your naked eyes. You understand? It's a P. What do they call them? PDA file? Is it?
Yeah.
No. IPD. It's an IPD file.
Burn it for me?
You don't need to be burned. It's on your email.
If this goes nuts again,
Yeah.
how am I going to see the phone number?
No problem. If it goes nuts again, which is it's not going to go nuts again because obviously yesterday I think we just fixed your thing. We didn't reinstall the thing. All right. So now you should be alright. Even your touchscreen is working as well.
So you have a copy of everything.
Yeah, it's in your email. I've sent it to your email.
So can you burn it for me? So I can
You don't need to. It's a small file. It's in your email. So if you need to access it again, you come to me and I'll access it for you.
Alright, do you have a receipt or something? So are you 20 quid, right?
Yes?
Well done. Alright. You've done this right. And you even fix the front.
Sorry?
You even fix this. This was missing at the program.
Yes,
Do
yes,
that.
yes.
Is that all? So I have to send it away now?
No, you don't need to send it away.
Guaranteed for a month with you?
Yes, of course.
Alright, well I'll better off with you. I'll give you the money, give me the piece of paper that keeps me guaranteed, and I'm out of here.
Yep.
Jesus Christ, you are amazing. And keep the backup. And keep it for me. So this computer crash.
Simon. Here we are, Simon.
Can you keep it for me, the backup, or your copy?
So it's in your email. You don't need to. It doesn't matter. Email, computer, same
So
thing.
this is my guarantee. You get your 20, you're fine. You saved my ass. What's your name?
Andy. Nice
Andy,
meeting you,
I
sir.
belong to you
Thank you.
forever.
Have a great
You
day.
probably see too much of me, but I will pay if I have to. Thank you, Andy. Thanks.
Sure, have a good day.
No, I can plug it in here. I can do anything I like. I can charge. I can turn it off.
Yes.
Turn it on. You sure?
You're perfectly fine. You won't have any problem.
Thank you. You forgot the program. Something was missing. You added on today. Is that what you did?
Sorry?
You were missing something yesterday.
Yeah, we'll reprogram the whole thing.
Andy,
Thanks, Andy. Bye.
I have a problem in my BlackBerry touch. I want to change the language. And I want open to any system. If you do it,
What do I say? I'll show you.
me, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I could do it. Bring it in slot.
How much will it cost?
You just want to change the language, yeah?
And open to any system. Because I use
Port,
it
yeah?
now.
9800. To unlock it is £10. Language probably 25 days. I have to reprogram the whole phone.
25. Come on. I'm
Well,
here.
oh! No, we have
Yeah.
here we only do services, so that's
Yeah,
how we
yeah.
make our money.
This one for now?
This is not charged. I have to charge it.
25.
£10 is the unlocking,
Yeah.
and then it's £25 for the language. So that's £35 in total.
35.
But the job that I do is good. I do a good job. So you want me to disappoint you?
التاج افتح لي اياه وسوي لها عربي 35.
Alright, take it. Okay, sorry, what's the story with this?
The story she wants to make software,
Yes.
and then she
Solve the
did
problem.
it. Yeah.
Okay, do you have any important data in there?
عندك أشياء مهمة.
So that's 07903 233 027.
Yeah, my number. It's okay. Yeah, I love it. I just messaged you.
I said like that, like, no worries, guys, pictures, very mistake.
Sorry, you first name, please, sir.
Kieran.
K-E-I-R-A-N.
K-E-R-I-A-N. And your surname?
Brown.
Brown.
R-A-N.
R-A-N.
At 27.
At 27.
Recruitment. .co.uk.
like longer USB cable. This is a charger, right? For my iPod, the USB data thing.
Oh no, it's just a USB data cable on its own.
Yeah, but this one here will plug into my wall thing and that will plug into my iPhone.
That's fine.
Do
But
you,
it is
do you
just
have a longer one? Is that longer than the normal one?
I'll give it to you.
1.2 meter.
Oh, that's quite long then, right?
That's 1 meter, but I have these ones here 1.2 meter.
What is the normal one you get from the shop? That's like half a meter.
1.2 meters. Electric fan I can have. That's the standard size.
How long is it? I need a really long one.
Sorry?